Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in. Trying to get a quick video in before that storm dumps rain on this head. So real quick, got my drone out today and I want to get better at flying around a subject. And the subject we're using is a 71 Le Mans that I'm calling the Last Chance Le Mans. And long story short, the reason we're going to call it that is we're giving it a last chance on life. This car was going to the scrapper. A friend of mine owned it and was moving, was getting rid of all his stuff, and he had a local guy who was just dragging stuff out of his yard and going and scrapping it. The owner of the car wasn't getting a nickel for it. He just wanted it out of his way. I had stopped by his house, shoot the breeze like normal, and had no idea he was doing that stuff and getting rid of this stuff. And he just happened to mention, oh yeah, that car is going, scrapper's coming to get it. I said, dude, let me get a shot at that car to give it a last chance on life. And he was like, yeah, no problem, man. I got a title. He said, go grab your trailer. That's what we did. We grabbed my trailer, hooked this thing up, drug it up on the trailer. He gave me the front end and hood and all this stuff. And we slammed that stuff on there. And I bought some more parts for it or whatever. If you want to see some of that, look at some other videos, you'll see that. But basically, today, we're just using it for a subject to practice the drone flying. So let me know what you think of this little video, what I could do better, what I didn't do well, what I could change, and let me know what you think about the drone flying. I don't know, like I said, I'm new. Don't roast me too bad, all right? Don't kill me, don't beat me up in the comments, okay? I'm new, I'm fresh at the drone thing. I mean, I've been flying drones for a little while, but not filming stuff. So anyway, let me know how I did, and appreciate you watching. Thanks. All right, see how this goes. Could be good, could be bad.